Swing in Seattle solo jazz. This is our routine to Naomi and her handsome devil's fine tune. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. This is the basic rhythmical structure that we taught. On the spot, it looks like fall off the kick, step, kick, and rock, step, down. We did it on the left side also. Fall off the kick, step, kick, and rock, step, down. We also have apple jacks, apple jack, jack, jack. We also have our little hays and hoes. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Single kicks, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. And we have our step overs, which look like step, 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 step. Now the full routine.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. And darling, if you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, that's my advice.